Hello everyone, my name is Priya and I'm a student coordinator cum student mentor in Career Launcher Mumbai with an enriched experience of more than 10 years in the field of education. I have counseled, helped, motivated and guided many students to be a part of the top law schools in the country. Students, you must have gone through a series of Law School Express videos wherein we have explained about a particular law school in detail. To continue with the series, I have come up with the law school which hasn't been recently started but can be considered as one of the options for doing the 5-year integrated law programs. Yes, in today's video, we will speak about BITS as a law school. Okay, so the law school has been started as established in the year of 2023, affiliated to BITS Plani, which is a renowned name in the education segment. The BITS Law School is located in Kalyan, district Thane. It's a lush green campus spread across 63 acres of land and is full-fledged with all the amenities and facilities. Okay, so here we will see the seats availability, the specializations, and the selection procedure, how we can get into the bids for a 5-year integrated program. When we speak about the seats availability, the total number of seats in the campus is 180, which is divided into two programs which they offer for a 5-year integrated. The first one is a BA LLB program. The seats in the BA LLB program is 120 and the seats in the BBA LLB program is 60. You can choose any of these programs and you can apply in the application form. When we speak about the specializations in the 5-year integrated program, they will provide you you can choose among any of the 4 specializations which is mentioned over here: corporate and financial law, technology and media law, entertainment and sports law, alternate dispute resolution and mediation law. The students can decide upon to do the specialization any of these particular laws depending upon their interest as well as in which area they need to go for a career in law. The selection procedure. Now, when we speak about the selection procedure, they will consider scores of these 5 entrance examinations. As it's a new school, so they are not very rigid to write their own entrance examination. The CLAT, LSAT India, MHCT Law, ALET is also considered for giving you a seat in BITS. As we rightly know, CLAT is the examination for getting into national law universities across India. Many students write this examination. The exam happens in the month of December, and the sections involved in CLAT is English, mathematics, reasoning, legal aptitude, and GK. When we speak about LSAT India, the students used to write this examination. Many students used to prefer Jindal as a global law school under LSAT India, but this is just a small info that Jindal will not be accepting LSAT India exam this year onwards. They will be accepting NLAT examination, but still the students will write the LSAT India for getting into Goenka University, for getting into ICFI, UPS Dehradun, and BITS as well. The Maharashtra CET law exam. Now, this Maharashtra CET law exam happens in the month of April and May. The exam takes place in the month of that is after your board examinations. It is at the Maharashtra level. So the students write this exam for getting into all the colleges which are based in Mumbai, Pune, and other Nagpur and other areas. Majorly, the students who write the Maharashtra CT exam will be tested on 5 areas like the CLAT: English, mathematics, reasoning, legal, and GK. The ALET examination. When we speak about ALET, the only law school which accepts the ALET examination so far was the NLU Delhi, but right now BITS is also accepting it. The Delhi law school has not been clubbed under the CLAT consortium, so they have an examination every year which is named as ALET, All India Law Entrance Test. They test you only on 3 sections: English, logical reasoning, and GK. Now, this is an examination which has been introduced by BITS Law School. This is their own entrance examination. We will talk about BITS as a law admission test in the next slide in detail. So, when we speak about the examination pattern, they have 4 sections in the paper. There are 70 questions in total, which needs to be completed in 60 minutes. So, it's a 1-hour examination wherein you have 70 questions, and the sections are reasoning ability, verbal ability, attention to detail, domain ability. When we speak in detail about each and every section, reasoning ability includes questions on abstract and critical reasoning. Verbal ability section includes question on RC, reading passages, grammar, and sentence correction. Attention to detail is somewhat similar to visual reasoning section. So visual reasoning में जैसे you have questions wherein diagrammatical questions will be given to you based on diagrams. So similarly, you will have in this section identify elements, and consistencies, irregular consistencies will also be a part in attention to detail section. Domain ability. When we speak about this section, the questions will be based on general legal knowledge. Okay. So this was about the paper pattern. The examination, when you apply for the examination, they will give you a slot in those 4 days. Generally, the slot is given for 4 days. In those 4 days, you need to write the examination. The eligibility. When we speak about the eligibility in getting a seat in WITS, the eligibility says that you need to get more than 45% in any board. Any board refers to the student can be from CBSE, ICSE, HSC board, or any state board is recognized. You can be in 12th standard when you write the examination, so it's not compulsory, it should be completed 12th standard. Obviously, the student who is in 12th standard can write the examination, and subsequently 45% is above needed. The leeway is given for SC and ST category students, wherein it's 40%. Here we will talk about the placements and internship opportunities provided to BITS students. Now, one thing is very clear that it's a newly started institute. We just started 1 year ago, that is in 2023. So the first batch has not been passed out yet, but the internship opportunities given to the students, uh, as per listed on their website, there were law firms which provided internship opportunities like Khaitan and Co, Trilegal. There were NGOs like Helpage India, and there were multinational companies also which provided internship opportunity to the students. Placement, as far as concerned, will be the first batch will pass out in 2028. So obviously, at that time we will get to know what kind of placements the students of BITS has been provided. So we'll see next. Okay, this is the fee structure of the BITS. Now, when we see the total fees is 10 lakhs 23,750 per annum. But this is divided into two segments. One is the tuition fee, which will be 7 lakh around, and the residential fees, the accommodation fees, which will be 3 lakhs. A one-time admission fee will be paid at the time of admission when they're giving you the admission offer. That will be 75,000. Now this will get adjusted. This will get adjusted when you pay the tuition fee for that particular year, and then it will be 10 lakh 23,750 minus 75,000 that will be paid when you start the college. But before the college gets started, they will want you to pay the entire fee. The fee is subject to an annual increase of 8%. They've already specified, they will specify you in the admission offer as well, that the increase every year will be 8% in the fees. The residence fees includes accommodation, housing, meals. It includes a sports facility, indoor outdoor games facilities. It includes shuttle services between the student residence and the interim campus. That means, as I rightly said before, the campus is spread across 63 acres of land. So obviously it's a huge campus. So there will be shuttle services provided to you between your residence, between where you reside, to the interim campus, to the campus wherein they have classrooms, seminar halls, and other facilities. Here are some snaps of the classroom, multipurpose area, student housing, library. As you can see, it's a spacious classroom. The multipurpose area can be used for preparing for a moot court, preparing for basically your projects, presentations. Student housing, the accommodation building wherein the rooms are shared with two, whether it's like a twin sharing basis, two students in one room. Library includes all the collection of the books by eminent authors and personalities, which will be helpful for preparing you for a presentation or a moot court, or maybe when you prepare for research papers. The scholarships. Now there are some scholarships given to the students based on their academics, based on how exceptional profile you have. So GD Birla Scholarship for Legal Studies. Now this scholarship is given to the only two students. Exceptional academic performance means those who are exceptionally good in extracurriculars, they have a good profile. 100% tuition fee waiver is provided. Now here 100% is there on the tuition fees. They have specified it's not on the total fees. There is a tuition fee different, and there is residence fees which is different, which you have seen in the last slide. So they are giving the waiver on the tuition fees, and it subsequently everywhere you will find waiver on the tuition fees. KK Birla Scholarship for Legal Studies. Now this scholarship is given to only one student, exceptional performer in the competitive exam. As we have seen, they accept 4 examinations apart from the bits. So the student has to be an exceptional performer in any of the exam, in ALET, in CLAT, in LSAT India. You have to score better. You have to score good marks. 75% in the tuition fee will be there for every year. Once you get selected, you have 75% waiver in, every year in tuition fees. The Sarla Birla Scholarship is about. Sarla Birla Scholarship for Legal Studies is given to only one meritorious woman student who is passionate about creating a change in legal research. Now, this is 75% waiver in tuition fees, which will be provided every year to that one woman student in the campus. Merit and means based scholarship. Now, this scholarship is given to the students whose annual income is not more than 18 lakhs per annum. The waiver is given up to 90% in the tuition fees. Academic merit scholarship. Now, this scholarship is given to selective students who are board toppers, city toppers, who are applied to BITS. So, they will select among them and give 75% waiver in tuition fees every year. Diversity scholarship. This is given to exceptional third gender students. This is given to students from underrepresented regions, those who are coming from a very remote area, and the students with physical disabilities. So they'll identify those applications and provide the scholarship, the diversity scholarship. Now there are some educational loans that is that they have tied up with leading banks to provide this facility to the students. The tie-up is being with SBI, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, IDFC Bank. They ensure that the loans are provided at lower interest rates to the students. Okay, these are some questions which is asked frequently by the students because it's a new law school which has come up. So there is much kind of a debate in terms of fees, in terms they don't have alumni. So basically, there are some dilemma that why we need to get into this particular law school. See, keep your options open, write the exam. Now, what I can suggest you as a counselor, as a and give you a guidance is that basically there are, see, your only aim, your major aim is getting into a top law school in the country. Now, there are government law schools, there are semi-government law schools, and there are private law schools. My take would be, right, there is no problem in writing the examination and having an option created for your own self. See, guys, ultimately at the end, when you decide for a law school, you should have some of the options. You can write the CLAT exam, grab a law school under National Law School under CLAT. You can write the LSAT India, grab a particular law school in that particular which accepts the LSAT India score. Or you can write the Maharashtra CET, grab a college under Maharashtra CET. So you can at least have an option created for your own self, and then you can take the help of the mentors. You can take the help of us to decide which is the best among the options which you have created with you. So there is no harm in writing the examination and applying for the bits. Some students ask it is based in Thane. So the previous campus of theirs was in Powai. That was an interim campus. So obviously Thane also is a residential campus only. You have to reside there for 5 years 5 years. It's an integrated program, so obviously you have to be there in the campus for 5 years. So yes, it's a residential campus. Facilities, we covered this, but then you have spacious classrooms, you have library, you have dining area, you have cafe, you have common room separately for girls and boys, you have computer lab, you have a moot court. Moot court is very it's a very good moot court which has built across in the campus. Library, which is vast collection of books which already covered it, and the huge auditorium wherein we conduct this, they conduct this guest lectures and the other programs. Faculties, now how good the faculties will be in the campus, they have specified that the faculty consists of eminent scholars and experienced academicians. You can view the faculty directory on the website. See, ultimately when you join a law school, and if you want to visit the campus before confirming the admission, you can visit the campus, know about the law school in detail, and then take a call of joining the institute. So for that, you can obviously visit the campus for bits, and then decide upon for the joining the college. Okay, this is the link of the website which we have given over here. Thank you for watching the video, guys and students. If you have any questions or queries after watching the video and you want to ask us, please mention in the comment. If you want a specific law school on which we can make a video, please mention in the comment. We will do it in a very short period of time and get back to you.